For systematic organization, the system inserts have been designed as fixed compartment structures. These molded inserts are available in different compartment layouts, suitable for all types of items. The 3-compartment insert can be further divided to create up to 18 smaller compartments, providing further accommodation for items. But what about something like this? Or something that needs extra protection? The pick and pluck foam inserts are available to create custom padded spaces to protect tools and accessories. Easily remove perforated segments that are not needed. Pair this with a black lid system case that has a splash-proof rubber seal for further protection. All inserts are formed in the 4:4:1 ratio. This means they easily fit into the small 4:4:1 case, and 2 inserts will fit in the 8:4:1 case. Molded inserts are only compatible with a black lid system case. Everything in its place.